we will have the sound and that is letter U. Letter U says Everybody say it. Letter U says umbrella, under, up, uncle, umpire, underpass, upside down, undershirt. Let's name the pictures that begin with the sound umbrella, under, up, uncle, undershirt, upside down, underpass, umpire. This time you're going to name the pictures alone without teacher. Remember, the sound of letter U is You start. You can hear the at the middle of the word. We call this medial sound Bun, hut, gum, tub, cub, mug, bug, cut, hug, nut, rug, duck. Kids, let's find out if you really understood the lesson. Where can you hear the sound? If you hear the at the beginning, that means that's the initial sound. You can use the first box. Now, if you can hear the at the middle of the word, and that is the middle sound, you can use the second box. Remember that. Number 1, we have hum. Hum. Yes, that's the middle sound, and you can use the second box. Great. Next one, we have umpire. Umpire. Very good. That's the initial sound. You can use the first box. Umpire. Next, we have fun. Fun. Where can you hear the sound? Yes, that's the middle sound. You use the second box. We have here rub. Rub. Good job. That's the middle sound. You use the second box. Next, we have under. Under. Great. You use the first box. That's the initial sound, under. Bug. Where can you hear the sound? Yes, that is the middle sound, and you can use the second box. Bug. Next, bud. Bud, and still the middle sound, you can use the second box. Good job. Let's go now to the third picture here. We have here gum. Gum. Where can you hear the sound? Great. That's the middle sound, and you can use the second box. How about up? Up. That's the initial sound, and you can use the first box. Very good, kids. Quiz time. Give the missing vowel letter A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, E to complete the name of its picture. Let's check your answers now, kids. Bug, sound. The middle sound is that is letter U. Bug. Next, mat, mat. That's letter A. Fin, sound, fin. It's letter I. Fin. We have here tent, tent. That's letter E. Umpire, that's the initial sound, and that is letter U. Umpire. Next is lock, lock. It's O sound, and that is letter O. Lock. Next, papaya. We have here papaya, and that is final sound or the ending sound. That is letter A. Papaya. Next, we have here bed. The middle sound is bed. Is letter E. Okay, bed. We have here mango. Mango. It's a sound, and that is letter A. Mango. Next, insects, and that is letter I. Insects. Next, we have here tub, that is U. Tub. Next one is gas, sound, and that is letter A. Gas. Kids, did you get perfect score in your quiz? Great! So for your homework, practice reading the following words. Just remember the sound. Letter U that says cub, rub, tub, bug, hug, tug, butt, cut, hut. Happy learning, kids! Once again, this is Teacher G saying thank you and God bless. And for those who did not subscribe yet, please click the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be notified if there's a new video. Goodbye!